Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTML Mastery course by Code with Ilyasoft. Congratulations, we have successfully completed another group of HTML lessons. So far, we have learned semantic HTML, header element, navigation menu, article element, section element, aside element, footer element, and accessibility concept. So today it's time to apply these concepts in a real world project. So our project for today is news blog website. So news website are one of the best example for understanding semantic HTML structure because they use multiple sections to organize content properly. So example include news header, navigation menus, featured article, sidebar content, and footer information. So professional developer structure website in this way because it improves readability, SEO optimization, accessibility, and search engine ranking. So by the end of this project, you will understand how professional website organize content. So open Visual Studio Code and let's start coding. So first create the file and then create the basic structure of HTML code. So doc tells browser to use HTML5. HTML tag is the root container. Header store page information. Title change the browse tab title. Body store the visible content. Add this inside a body header h1 and then daily technology news. Then inside this header tag create the paragraph latest technology news and update. Header contain the introductory content. Usually include website logo, website title, tagline, and navigation. Then add below the header the nav tag create the navigation link. User use navigations to move between pages. So here is the 5 navigation link: home, technology, business, sports, and contact. Then create the main content area using the main tag. Main contains primary page content. Search engine understand this area has important content. Then create inside the main tag article. The heading of article is artificial intelligence is transforming technology. Then create the paragraph. This paragraph show the publish date and author, and then the next is the detail of the introduction of the paragraph. Article actually represent the independent content. So example of article is news article, blog post, magazine content, and so on. Then add below the article aside and then create the use the h3 tag and add the trending topics text inside the h3 tag and then create the unordered list and add some topics: AI development, web technologies, cyber security, cloud computing, and mobile apps. So aside content related information, example advertisement, related posts, trending topics, or popular articles. Then create the footer below the main section. So use the footer tag, then the horizontal rules, horizontal line, then add the paragraph and then add the copyright and then 2026 daily technology news and add the below another paragraph and add is created by Code with Ilyasoft and close the footer tag. So footer generally contain copyright information, contact information, policies, social links. So now let's run in a browser. So now before this is the daily tech news, then the latest technology news update, then below this that the home, technology, business, supports, contact is the navigation links, and below this is the article and then some trending topics by using a side tag, and then below this is the footer. So here is some challenges for student: create your own news blog website and add 3 article, add profile image, add categories, and add social media links, and also add another sidebar section. So if you complete this assignment, kindly post in a community sections of Code with Ilyasoft YouTube channel. So if you like these videos, kindly subscribe, like, and share.